Hi, I'm Pat Concepcion, Digital Loans Marketing Head of the Digital Enterprise and Innovations Group at RCBC. I handle the digital campaigns for our digital products such as Pulse, Tech, and ATM Go and digital loans. As I've mentioned earlier, AI is our co-pilot in marketing. It will push us to be more precise and smarter and faster in terms of churning out digital marketing campaigns. Us humans, will still be there to incorporate the creativity, insight, and strategic thinking in terms of crafting these digital campaigns. Jeffrey mentioned earlier, I think I mentioned it too, that we need to start now because AI needs a learning curve from us humans too. So we need to push it now, and for sure AI will evolve in a couple of months or years, we don't know when. So it's good to start it now and do iterations, research, and gather all the data that we need for us to be able to drive AI and integrate it in our digital campaigns.